Hello, you're welcome to look at how to. So we have a problem before us, specifically for ArcGIS Pro users only, a spatial problem. And the problem, we have a bunch of lines and points scattered around the lines, and we want to know the points within the vicinity of the vertices of the line. There are quite a number of approaches. I understand that, and this question is put out on my LinkedIn page to spur learning, and there's already learning going on there. But this is my own approach. Just to call your attention, there are quite a number of use cases for this kind of problem. I once came across this kind of problem where I want to select all customer premises around the point of connection of fiber. And as you understand, the fiber cannot just be connected within a segment of a line. It must only be connected at the vertices. So how do you go about this? Another one is base stations and microwave links, whereas microwave link is the means of backhauling the base stations. And so base stations can either be backhauled through fiber microwave links or maybe satellites. So the base stations are distributed, and I want to be able to identify those base stations that are connected, that are backhauled using microwave links. And so if I have the links and have the distributions, also like the case of fiber, you cannot connect base stations at the segments of the line, but only at the endpoints of the nodes of the microwave links. So these are use cases in telecoms area, but I understand there are quite a number of use cases out there. You can apply it. Solving spatial problems is just about how well you can think out of the box. So why don't we go straight to my own approach to solving this problem? So you're welcome to ArcGIS Pro, and we will be solving the problem. As you can see, we needed to only select points around vertices of the lines and not points within the line segment. And so we have just two steps to solving this problem. Ordinarily, what will come in mind when you want to solve such kind of a spatial query, you may want to think about using the select by location. And if you use select by location, you want to select the points along the lines, what you will get. So you want to select the points along this line. And let's say you want to use 3 kilometers. By the time you apply, it picks every single point within these lines. And that's not your objective. Our objective here is to select only these points at the edges. So what methods are we going to use? So that is what we want to learn today. The two steps, I'll just go straight to analysis. First, I will extract the coordinates of the vertices and plot it at those points, and then do a select by location. So you can see how simple it is. So I will just go to features to vertices. So I'll just use feature vertex to points. So this is the tool we use to solve this problem, and we want to extract the vertices of the line features, and the line is this. We'll call it interface link, and then it will generate the output feature class, and then the point types. So there are options. There are quite a number of them. All vertices. This will introduce, if you choose to generate the vertices of all the vertices along the line, so it will introduce quite a number of vertices, even on the straight line. So for polyline, it will just stick points along that line. But in this our case, we just want to generate at the ends and the beginning. So we will choose the both start and the end vertices, and then we'll run it. So what we are doing here is to create new feature class. You can see, let's symbolize it. Let's symbolize it. So it will be, let's use a beautiful color. Yeah, I love green. So this is it. So it has picked out these, it has stick points at the vertex of each vertex of the line. So we no longer need this line for our analysis. We have our points distributed. So the next step is to apply the select by location. And select by location, we are applying it around. So we want to choose to select this site. So this is what we pick. And then we can use intersect overlay methods. And then our selecting feature is this green points, the vertex location. And then we want to select within a region, and we're using 3.5 kilometers. That's what we decide. Use cases may require different offset distances. So in this, we just choose the 3.5 kilometers. And when you apply, yeah, so you get your problem solved. So it has selected at those vertices, as you can see. If you need this as a part of your process, you can just export it. And if it is something you need frequently, you can simply just create a small model, which may be a discussion for another day. So I believe this has solved our problem. And I thank you very much for following. And I'll be happy to get your comments, feedback. And if you want us to, if there's any topic you want us to discuss, so I will also learn from others. I'm happy. Drop it in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Look Up How To, and also follow us on LinkedIn, Emmanuel Avula, for more of these interactions so that we will all learn GIS